One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. You want to get right into the first thing? You got to complete a training.
Yeah, I did complete my training. It was
Oh,
like
did you?
$4 because it wouldn't let me go online. But maybe this is about another what a nuisance really. You soon won't be able to drive with Lyft in California because your required safety training is close to expiring. I didn't even know that there was a safety training. Hey, Lyft, are you doing this for the riders too? Are you? No? Okay. We want all our drivers and riders. Oh, and riders feel safe. Okay, then have them put your riders through training as well. Lyft.
Yeah.
I think that'll be fair, right? Mhm. Please complete our training to get back on the, click the button, complete training. You watch a couple of videos, and then, I did it. I finished it, and now I'm allowed to go online. So, okay, whatever. I have a dash cam. That's the best safety training I can have. That's it. Okay, see. Okay, this guy keeps texting. Okay, that's bullshit. There's definitely no way you got deactivated for not picking up rides that are not profitable. That's complete bullshit. I'm not telling you you're full of shit, but I'm saying wherever you're getting that idea, or if you have any evidence that Uber and Lyft told you that we're deactivating it because you're declining too many trips, you have a massive lawsuit in your hand. So I'd like to see that. But anyway, so we'll see. Email me, Sergio@Rideshareguy.com.
Yep. Anything more on the training? Apparently,
No.
it's something that was.
No, I think
so-
everybody's got this on Lyft in California anyway. And you just click and then watch a video, and then you click again, watch another video. It's short, like few minutes, and then I mean it's most common sense stuff, but I guess they have to do this in order to satisfy, I don't know, some law somewhere, someplace. And no big deal. It takes you 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do it. But it's interesting, that we as drivers have to do all this. Yeah, I think the riders should do this too.
Yeah, I think it would be only fair at that point. I think it's a ridiculous waste of time. I don't care if it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I think it's
We're
just a
used
waste
to
of time because
Yeah.
these things are just pretty stupid in my opinion.
We're used to waste
And
of time doing these things, man.
those videos are so pointless. They don't do anything. They're just annoying. And the whole time I'm not even honestly, the reality is how many people are actually paying attention to the video that's going on, actually watching it and studying it or anything versus, oh, you're just playing it to get through it and then doing something else instead.
Yeah, I agree. So I did it.
The reality is it's
Hey,
pointless.
I got my first turbo offers on Lyft in 6 months, maybe 8 months.
Holy crap.
Yeah. I know why now. You remember when I went to the
They give
Lyft
you a
event
special.
at LAX? I did that trip, right?
Yeah.
Lyft goes, okay, this guy's back to work. Let's give him some candy. I got
See, so there you
10%
go.
up to
I
40%
told you
turbo.
you have to be within 30 days to give a ride. If you're not on 30 days, they don't give you the bonuses. That's why.
Yeah, I got some sugar. There
You
you
got
go.
to stop going on Uber Eats. I don't know why you're driving on Uber Eats.
I have a plan.
Oh, do you?
Mhm. Yeah, I have a plan. We are working on
Okay,
Prop
then.
22, sir. I
Oh,
gotta have
gotcha.
evidence. What better than
Okay.
my own evidence? So I'm like, hey, you know,
Okay, I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one.
suffrage. So take one for the team. You trust me, Chris. It ain't because it pays well. Okay.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.